First, open Alight Motion and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Insert the background you want to use in your video, and make sure it fills the entire screen. Next, add a square shape and adjust it like this. Change the square's color to white. Create a smaller square like this. Here, I want to add the photo. You can insert it directly, but I'll use masking so the crop fits perfectly. After that, adjust the square so it matches the one behind it. Group these two layers together. Tap the group and add a shadow to make it look more realistic. Now add the page curl effect and set 2 keyframes like this. Go to the first keyframe and adjust the progress value. At the starting keyframe, make the photo fully closed. At the final keyframe, make it open. Adjust it however you like. Don't forget to apply a graph. I'm using this one here. And the first part is done. Now let's continue. Pay close attention. First, create a rectangle like this. Duplicate it like this. Duplicate again until you have 4 shapes forming this pattern. Group these 4 layers. Next, go to Effects and add Gaussian Blur. Adjust it like this. Duplicate this group and place it beside the first one. Go to the first group, open Blending and Opacity, find Mask, and select Exclude. Do the same for the second group. Next, create a black rectangle like this and lower the opacity until the object. Behind it is slightly visible. Place this layer under the rectangles. Group them together. Once done, position it however you like. Now we'll animate the camera. I'll use a null object to create the zoom out effect. Connect all layers to the null like this. Adjust the movement as shown here. It's easier to follow visually than to explain. Add any text you like, then connect it to the null as well. Adjust the Z position so the text appears. After that, fine-tune the Y and Z values like this. Finally, organize your layers. And your video is done!